Hello and welcome to the Opal shop. Here we've got a lovely pre-shaped cut of Boulder Opal, pardon me. It's a bit of a thin cut. I'll bring it closer so you can have a look at a nice streak of opal here. Shades of blue and green popping up in this lovely pattern. If I angle it to the side, you can see the blue. If I leave it up straight, the green is more prominent. So you can have a look at the back, which has also got a nice pattern at the back. These could definitely be recut and repurposed to make a lovely pendant, I'd say, or refit it for anything you'd like. And that's it for our lovely Boulder Opal. Have a lovely one.